Hello everyone, this is Sumit Kumar, and what I'd like to say today is yes, we have only 5 days left for this NET exam. I know some of you are very nervous, and it's of course it's very trivial, nervous होना ठीक है, it's okay at some point, but take it in positive way and move forward and do as many problem as you can. Try to learn concept whatever you studied so far और उस पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वर्कआउट कीजिए ताकि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कहीं ना कहीं और अच्छा हो. एंड कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है उसकी तरफ ध्यान दीजिए कि these are the topics where I'm feeling undifficulty. Okay, fine, whatever the concepts where I'm feeling undifficulty, go through that. If you are able to do that in these 5 days, go ahead. If you are thinking no, if I'll do that and whatever I have strong portion that's not I'm going to cover in proper way, then leave this. Then whatever you have strong portion and you think that this you can cover in exam, focus on that. So now in 5 days you should study in focused way. Focused way means where you feel comfortable, do that as much as you can, and where you not feel comfortable, at least go through, take a glance ki yes, these are the portion. Find from there what you are not able to do that and go through it. And if you will do this, then definitely that's going to work. Okay, so that's for NET. And one more thing, and the best thing I would like to add here is yes, from last 15 days I got a huge response, particularly from Indian women. Indian women means जितने भी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, लड़कियां कॉलेजेस में और जो कॉलेजेस में पढ़ा रही हैं टीचर्स, उनका कुछ उनमें से मैरिड हैं, कुछ अनमैरिड हैं, मिला जुला लोगों का रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा आया थ्रू माय वीडियोस. दे सॉ माय वीडियोस, व्हाटएवर क्वेश्चन आई हैव अपलोडेड, दे अप्रिशिएटेड, and some of them personally mailed me in the Facebook also, and some of them told me the serious issues also. They told, and this I'll leave you this, think about it also, they are interested, they wanted to do research in mathematics, but their parents, if that girl, their husband, if she is married, are not allowing. Really, it's shameful. We live in this 20th century's world, and if we will do like this, it's not suit us, right? We have freedom. That equally importance one should give to those girls also, right? They are interested, they are doing extraordinary work, and if we will not support them, it's not fair. They have written that, yes sir, through your videos I got this and I'm very much interested. Then I asked, okay, then try to move, look at those exams and qualify those exams. They said, no sir, parents are not supporting, they don't allow us to go outside from this city, this place. Teachers like us feel very uncomfortable due to that, because we left all our lavish life and started this work, noble work, to help and to reach out all students like you. And if society will not support to this kind of women and इस टाइप के बच्चों को, चाहे वो लड़का भी हो सकता है, ये गलत है. तो मेरा एक यही रिक्वेस्ट है, वो लड़की या वो औरत, हो सकता है आपकी बहन हो सकता है आपकी वाइफ हो, या हो सकता है वो आपकी बेटी हो. So only thing I would like to add here is just support them. Have a faith on there. जैसे आप बच्चों पे, अपने बेटों पे फेथ करते हैं, वैसा ही फेथ आप उन पे भी करें. उनको एक मौका दें कुछ करने के लिए. हो सकता है उनका शादी हो चुका है, doesn't matter. We have seen at IISc Bangalore, there is one woman who married and she had 6 months baby. What she has done, she left that baby to home and someone was there who take care of that, and she started doing the research. 6-month baby. That was amazing. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो करना नहीं चाहती. आप जब तक सपोर्ट नहीं करें, बिकॉज वो उस वुमन के, उसके हस्बैंड बहुत सपोर्टिव थे, दैट्स व्हाई शी गॉट द स्ट्रेंथ. अदरवाइज आज के टाइम पे कौन ऐसी वुमन है जो 6 महीने की बच्ची को छोड़ के दे विल स्टार्ट द रिसर्च एंड ऑल. हमारे सोसाइटी में तो लोग हंसना शुरुआत कर देंगे कि देखो बच्ची को छोड़ के, बट हर हस्बैंड वाज सपोर्टिव. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. अगर आप सपोर्ट करेंगे डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा होगा. सपोर्ट कीजिए. मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे कैसे पता चला, बहुत लोगों ने ऐसा मेल किया पर्सनली. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, इट्स माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, support them. if they want to do research in mathematics, support them. Forget research in mathematics, whatever they want to do, support them. They need your support. Without your support, they can't move. Not possible. जैसे आप अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट करो, उन्हें भी सपोर्ट करो एक बार. Okay? So I hope you got the idea what I wanted to say, and believe on that. And our next line, what I like to add is, yes, from this exam, this June exam, go through the basic parts and do as many problems as you can, and help others also, okay, so that they feel comfortable. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to stop here, and again there are next videos. Go through that videos, mathematics video, so that you will feel comfortable. Okay, thank you for that. Now let's come to here, the question number 67. Which of the following is true for the function f(x) equal to sin x times sin 1 by x? X belongs to open 0, 1. Is this lower limit of fx, the limit of fx is equal to same as lim sup? Limit is the lim sup, limit is equal to 1, or lim sup is going to be 0. What is going to be true? That's what you have to answer. That's what they have asked. So how one can think here, how one can answer such kind of questions. Okay, that's what I'm going to do that. So what is given? Given is here this fx is equal to sin x times sin 1 by x. X belongs to 0 to 1. And they are asking about lim sup and limit. You know, if limit of a function at that point exists, if limit of a function at that point exists, then lim sup and limit are same. This is if and only if condition. Use that fact. Okay. So the fact is lim sup and limit are same when limit exists, right? So that's what I'm going to do that. Let us evaluate, try to evaluate what is the limiting value of this function, right? Limiting value x tends to 0. Sin x into sin 1 by x, right? See, this function oscillates near to 0, from -1 to +1, right? This function oscillates from, this is some crazy function near to near 0. Doesn't matter, some finite number, -1 to 1. But this function is continuous. So limiting value of sin x when x tends to 0 is of course 0. So 0 times any finite value is nothing but 0. And you can prove it by using upsilon delta definition also. So I don't care, for shortcuts you should go like this. So limiting value of this is 0. Therefore limit, let me write this, limit of this function is equal to 0 is equal to lim sup of fx as x tends to 0. These are same, and hence lim sup and lim sup is 0, limit are same. So 1 and 4 is the correct option, and 2 and 3 are wrong options. Okay, so this is the way to do like this. Try to understand one line argument how we have done this. Okay, so be confident. Okay, I hope you got it.